Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper squishy. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And let's just get into the video now. Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a bag squishy, and I think this is going to be really fun. And let's just get started. The first step is to color your bag in what you want it to look like. So I'll just show you in a sec what that looks like. Okay, so now that I've colored the bag in, I'm going to cover all of the colored spots in tape, and I'll just show you in a second what that looks like. So now I've covered all of the drawings in tape so it doesn't smudge. And the next step is to just fill your bag with cotton. You can find these cotton balls, I'm assuming, at your home, but if you can't, you can find them in Walgreens and Sephora. So now you just fill your bag stuffed with these little cotton balls. And this is going to be quite so rising, and I find that pretty cool. Okay, so once you filled it to the top with all of your cotton balls, take a piece of tape and just seal the top off. So now you just want to take a little pin and poke your squishy so all the air can come out. And now you have a plastic squishy. And it is quite so rising. And I really like this method in making squishies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be posting every day, so stay tuned, please.